Welcome to the Lincoln Children's Zoo and the Zio and the Railroad. We hope everyone will have a safe and enjoyable trip, which will be 2 times around the zoo. We ask that you please remain seated with your hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the coach at all times, and your feet flat on the floor. For those little ones on board, as we go around the zoo today, on the right side of the train, occasionally you will see a sign with a W on it. That W tells the engineer when he's supposed to blow his whistle. There will be 6 of those W's as we go around the zoo. And there's W number 1. And on the left side of the train, you will see 2 portable classroom units. These belong to the Lincoln Public Schools Science Focus program. During the school year, we have high school students from all over the Lincoln area that attend school at the zoo. W number 2. And on the left is the hive. The hive is where we keep all of our creepy crawly things, including the itsy bitsy spider. W number 3. And if I could get everybody to look out the right side of the train, please, you will notice an open field. Now that has absolutely nothing to do with the zoo, but I made you look anyhow. All right, kids, can you tell me what that big white sign on the left says? That's right, O-O-Z, ooze. And here's our kids' play area. And next to our kids' play area is our monkey enclosure. Now, Dr. Chapo, the director of our zoo, has an absolutely firm policy about the animals feeding you during your visit. So if at any time during your visit an animal should offer you a treat, you're not allowed to take it. And on the far left is our penguin enclosure. Our penguins are called Humboldt penguins, and we got our Humboldt penguins from the Humboldt, Nebraska public swimming pool. And here's the goats. Now, if you look closely, you will notice that there are no old goats in there. And the reason for that is we're both working on the train today. All right, kids, here it comes. Here comes that awful tunnel. Everybody raise your hands high and yell as loud as you can. Get ready. Get set. Now! That was absolutely terrible. So just for that, I'm going to make you listen to a very bad joke. Does anybody know why God only made one Yogi Bear? No? Because when he tried to make a second, he made a boo-boo. And coming up on the left, behind the fence, next to the building, here he is. It's Pickles, our rhinoceros. Everybody wave. Now, as you've entered the zoo today, you have noticed that we're in the midst of a construction project. This is our zoo expansion program, which is due to be finished next year. Now, we are running just a tad bit behind in our donations for this project. So for today, and today only, for $9.95, you can swim with our crocodile. For $22.95, our Gibbons will change the oil in your car. Now, as you've gone around the zoo today, you have noticed some kids in lime green t-shirts. These kids are called Zoo Crew volunteers. Each summer from all over the Lincoln area, we have kids that volunteer to work at the zoo. These kids put in a tremendous number of hours each year, helping us do all that we do at the zoo. Without the Zoo Crew members, the zoo could not operate. At the end of each day, we grade our Zoo Crew members on how good a job they did. And if they didn't do a very good job, we feed them to the animals. I have openings on tomorrow's shift if anybody's interested. The African elephant's ears are shaped like the continent of Africa. The most dangerous animal on the African savanna is the hippopotamus. The cheetah is the fastest animal on earth. Does anybody know what a cheetah's favorite food is? No, it isn't Cheetos. It's fast food. I have some additional safety announcements for you. In the event that this train should derail and end up in the creek below, you will not be charged extra for the cruise. If you're traveling with multiple children, and we should have to evacuate in a hurry, you might want to consider grabbing the child with the highest earning potential. And coming up on the left is our tortoise house. Now, the difference between a tortoise and a turtle is a tortoise will spend his entire life on land, where a turtle can spend his life either on land or in the water. And coming up on the left is our eagle's nest. A fully formed eagle's nest can weigh as much as 3,000 pounds. In the United States, the only people legally allowed to possess an eagle feather is a Native American. All right, kids, here it comes. Last chance. Everybody's hands in the air and yell as loud as you can. All right, get ready. Now! That was fantastic! I hope everyone had a good time riding on the ZO&O Railroad. We hope you'll come back again and visit the animals. We ask that you please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop and watch your step as you exit the train. You may now exit the train.